Okay, let's check how to activate the sound and NTG 5.0 W205 C Class. Okay, now we play music. See, it's turning louder and still no sound. Yes. And now we make the sound working. Okay, it's this one, the USB AUX box. Then we need to connect this and armrest. Check this cable. USB port. Okay, 1 or 2. Next step, we need to go to my car and we set. Yeah, you see, animation and media disco, memory card. Media in phase 1, because you here you put one and now we in phase 1 USB AUX. Okay, now we select this one and click the screen back to Android. Now we go music.